First, change the picture mode to CMYK mode. Change the resolution of the picture to 300. Find the layer settings. If there is a lock next to the picture, click on the lock to unlock it. Right-click the picture and select all pixels. Find the selection and modify the pixels that need to be reduced. Adjust the value according to the printing situation. The higher the value, the more white ink will be reduced. Find the CMYK channel. Hold down the Ctrl key and click here with the left mouse button to add spot color channel. Finally, save the picture in TIFF format.
Step 1. Open your image in Photoshop. Use the Magic Wand tool to carefully select the area you want to turn into an emboss effect. Hold Shift to keep adding to your selection until it's complete. Step 2. Go to the Channels panel. Hold down Ctrl and click the new channel icon. In the pop-up window, set the spot color channel parameters and confirm. This will save your selection as a spot color channel. Save the file to your desktop in TIFF format. Step 3. Open the printing software. Select the image for the overprint effect. Click for white ink cleaning in the channel enables the task. Set the white ink passes to 5. Click Save. Once the position is adjusted, you can start printing.